Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel where you can learn Indonesian language from the very basic with MiFi. Today we're gonna learn kata penggolong seorang, sebuah, and seekor, or what we call as classifier in English. In the end of this lesson, you are expected to know how to use this classifier appropriately. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Kata penggolong or classifier is used to classify things based on their kind, types, or nature. There are many classifiers that we can use in Indonesian language. Here, we're gonna learn the top 3 of them. Now, let's see the following explanation. First, we have seorang. We use this classifier when the things are being classified are related to the human being, such as profession, for example. We put this classifier before the things we're gonna mention. Seorang is shortened form of satu orang, or in English literally means one person. For examples, saya seorang pengajar bahasa Indonesia. I am an Indonesian language teacher. Dia seorang pengacara. He or she is a lawyer. Next, we have sebuah. It is not like in English, where we use the same classifier for general things or the things related to the human being and animals. To classify things in general, in Indonesian language, we use the word sebuah. This is literally means one fruit. Like the previous classifier, we put this one in front of the things we're gonna mention. For examples, ini adalah produk baru perusahaan kami. This is a new product of our company. We can also use sebuah before the abstract things. Sebuah ide yang cemerlang. A bright idea. The last one we have seekor. We use this word before the name of the animals. Seekor literally means one tail in English, or it is simply translated as a or an. For example, seekor beruang madu, a honey bear. Kebun binatang ini hanya memiliki seekor gajah. This zoo has only an elephant. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. It's easy, isn't it? I hope you enjoy watching this video and gain something from this lesson. If you find this video useful, please do share with the others. And if you have any questions or suggestions for my future video, please let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next lesson.